Yes. So me FM10 Kobo, I behold them. They be use a statement how we don't see Ambazonian government for fix Ambazonian roads. Ambazonian, no one la Republic road, nobody say they.
So free marshal.
Yes. When we don't liberate our land, we self we go fix our own routes by ourselves. No, so don't talk am.
So free marshal.
So these people them, we don't hear kind talk, kind propaganda. How we don't catch them, we don't catch our own people, we don't do this and so on and so forth. We need to kill our own people. But we show them a sample and a warning. May they go back, go talk with them they see them and how we they receive them for here. We will set them free. So one question that I want to ask you now, it is not an intimidation. I want more to talk for our people, the listeners and the watchers, both home and abroad. Me, FM10 Kobo, I don't ask a dime from you guys. No. I want more to tell you the gospel truth. If I don't take any money for una, tell me. I don't take any dime from una. No. Or for una family. No. I never take a dime from una family. I no come out now for una money. I come out for protect the people. Una no more shoot gun. If you know if you shoot, you the man picking shit down one place, we go fight the war. We finish a line for how many years? Maybe know the risks in our life. Maybe no fool and say don't see Amber. Amber don't do for negotiation. You guess how Amber don't do negotiation. Now for Switzerland. Nobody that's so don't talk.
So free marshal.
So what we then I say the only thing we go baptize una. The listeners and the watchers. We get our own baptism. Now if and so don't shift that baby. So we will go put our own knowledge. General Colas. If you start your work, baptize all them. Yes. It's okay. It's water. That's what you do. Confirm. Yes. It be free. We don't take a dime from you guys. Yes. We don't take a dime from you guys. Yes. We don't take a dime from you guys. It's not blood. Yes. Every woman has the very punishment. All man. No man takes some punishment, lives for one. No pity no man. Joy no day. Oh, joy day. No, sir. I second woman that.
Put a sense on it.
Yes. Put a sense on it.
Again for the Republic.
And I can't work. Confirm. All for one.
One for all.
One for all.
All for one.
Ndian.
Warriors.
Expendable.
100.
Forward ever.
Backward ever.
Backward never.
Forward ever.
Yes, it gets on 3 people. When there are 3 people, not them. Recruit all these people them. So when I see them for yes, so that's the Southern Cameroon people them. And then they recruit all the people. We get 2 caterpillar drivers and the 1 big man. What's your name? You. And you? Okay, Ferdinand Meta. Yes, the man for me though, not the Frenchman. The Yaoundé man. We know what I know, no say war. They for Southern Cameroon. You know, be aware say war they for Southern Cameroon. You don't know, eh? You don't know say they fight war for ya. You know, be aware. You don't know, eh? When I look at na see person they can bring up for us. No French, no pidgin or another English. So now these 3 people, now them, they toss to get our people food and not to know day and so on and so forth. So these people them, they don't get any baptism. So the rest will depend on God. No, that's so they.
That's so free marshal.
Yes. So these other people there for here, they be free. They be free by the government of Ambazonian, who is controlled by our Ambazonian government. All these 9 people, they be free without collecting a dime from them. So, when I see the next edition, the next video for the part 2.